Hey, welcome back to Creative Videos. Today we are going to see how to make wall hanging of for Independence Day. For that we will need 3 cups. Then poster colors, you can take many poster color also. Thread, then color platelet, scissor, 2 brushes. If you have one, it's also okay. So let's start. First, take a mug or glass, whatever you say, then cut the folded side. Now do the same with those both cups also. Yes, now we are ready. Now what we need to do is cut the cup into strips and remember to leave little space at the end. And before moving forward, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yes, now it has come to finish. Now we will do same with those both cups also. Yes, it is ready. Now what we'll do is fold them like this. Fold means bend them. You can see a cup like structure has come. Now we are going to do both also same. Yeah, it's ready. Now what we need to do is color them as per our Indian color, means green, orange, white. And you know, as I shown you my poster color box, I did not have orange color. And you know, creative videos will teach you something new in each video. So in this video we are going to tell you how to make orange color. So first take these all colors, that is green, red and yellow. Then take a color platelet, and in the poster colors box you will get one alligator. If you don't have, then you can use a spoon or a stick also. It is used to take the paint from the boxes, means color pastels boxes. Yes, now first I will take green. And in color platelet, remember that small colors are only for coloring and small circles, and the big circle is for mixture. So we are going to mix to form it. Now what I will do is first I will take yellow color in the big circle and then wash the alligator. Yes, now I will take red color. I want little dark one, so I have taken little more red color. And now mix it well. I think it's little more dark. So now what I will do is take again little yellow color. I think I will need little yellow. Yeah, and remember that we should take first yellow and then orange. Yeah, now I will take little yellow. And remember that it should be mixed very well, otherwise you will see that yellow will be remaining. Yes, our orange mixture is ready. And for this एक like तो बनता है ना यार. एक like, एक subscribe और एक share. Now what we will do is, for one orange, one green, and one will be for Ashoka Chakra. Yes. Now on this I'll do green. I have taken a small brush because it will be better to color. I mean paint. Make it as nice as you can because it is our nation's pride. It is a wall hanging where you can use everywhere. Means you can use it in your schools, in your homes, everywhere. Yes, it has come to finish with little. And remember that we are going to color the middle one also. And for our hard work, one subscribe, one share, and one like, please. Our aim is to reach 1000 subscribers and before December 2020. So please help us. Yes, we will color this downside one also. Our green color is ready. Now let it keep for drying. Now I will take this and I will color orange. It's looking little red, but it's really orange color. Now we will keep that orange for color drawing. Now it's time for Ashoka Chakra. So I will take this blue color in color platelet. I have taken little more orange and green color, and if it's more, no, what you do is take the alligator and again put it in that container. And you know that orange color is mono, so what you do is take different container and keep it in that. Now what I'll do is take this blue color. You are saying I will color it everywhere, means whole circle, not on the strips. I was trying to make the Ashoka Chakra with blue color, but it did not come. So what I did is colored whole blue color with on that circle. You can see it did not come. And if you try it and it comes, then it's the better. You can see how it is looking. see that again I have colored this one up. Yeah, now what I will do is color their upside also. Okay, yes, you can see that. Yes, our blue color is ready. Now to make it Ashok Chakra, what I will do is take this white color. It is a white color. After drying, you should do is means if after blue color dries, then you should draw Ashoka Chakra with white color. It has like become little fat one, means thick one. And yes, our Ashoka Chakra is ready. Bingo! Now what is I have taken these threads, and what we need to do is with the threads we need to make holes both two sides everywhere. Cameraman, take the camera that side. My thread is look my pencil is looking. Yes, you can see that two holes are ready. Now the same we are going to do with those both also. Now I will put little glue to the thread to make it little thin one. Yes, the paint is for my finger now, so it is looking like that. And one more fact is, if the paint is for your hand and you put little glue on your on the thread or on your hand and rub it to the thread, then you can see your paint will be gone. Yes, you can see how I have put the thread. Now I'll put the thread to that blue one also, both the sides, and for the green one also. Now let's see how it looks after the last look. You can see it's looking gorgeous one. Yes, now I will show you how it looks on the wall. Remember to choose a great background. Yes, it's on the wall. You can see how gorgeous it is looking. I have chosen the orange background, so it's looking so gorgeous one. Now you can see this wall hanging and this butterfly one, Mickey Mouse one. This all I will tell you how to make for the wall decor in the next video. For that you need to subscribe and hit the bell icon and like this video. Thank you for watching.